6 smartest robots that actually exist. Have you ever seen robots around you that actually talks to you or had fun with you, dance with you, or even can sing for you? You might be thinking that I'm joking with you guys, so it's not. There are 6 smartest robots that actually exist in this world that have been developed by top experts and scientists. These robots can actually help you in your daily chores, finding your missing clothes, doing your pending assignments, or doing work for your boss. So, here we go. The number one type that we are going to discuss is Curio. This robot has foot sensors so it can play soccer with you, ankles with ball joints so it can walk on uneven surfaces, picks itself up after falling and even checks itself for damage, moves with quick, smooth movements. It can hear, speak, sing, recognize objects and faces, walk, run, dance, and grasp objects. It can even pick itself up after it falls. At the moment, there are dozens of Curios in existence. There are basically corporate ambassadors that have generated so much goodwill and publicity at trade shows and the like that they have been joined by others in Japan. Number 2. Pyro, the therapeutic robot. It responds to cuddling, stroking through its built-in spatial touch sensors beneath its fur and on its whiskers, modeled on a baby harp seal, has voice recognition and authentic seal sounds. Paro is an advanced interactive robot developed by AIST, a leading Japanese industrial automation pioneer. It allows the documented benefits of animal therapy to be administered to patients in environments such as hospitals and extended care facilities where live animals present treatment or logistical difficulties. Paro has been found to reduce patients' stress and their caregivers. Paro stimulates interaction between patients and caregivers. Paro has been shown to have a psychological effect on patients, improving their relaxation and motivation. Paro improves the socialization of patients with each other and with caregivers. World's most therapeutic robot certified by Guinness World Records. And that seems interesting. Paro is the 8th generation of a design that has been used in Japan and throughout since Europe in 2003. Paro has 5 kinds of sensors: tactile, light, audition, temperature, and posture sensors, with which it can perceive people and its environment with the light sensor. Paro can recognize light and dark. He feels being stroked and beaten by tactile sensor. Or being held by the posture sensor, Paro can also recognize the direction of voice and words such as its name, greetings, and praise with its audio sensor. The second version of Paro, that is AIBO. It can feel human contact through sensors on its head, back, chin, and paws. Detect sounds through a pair of microphones, voice recognition, color camera, distance sensors, and also facial recognition. Keeps balance through acceleration sensors. AIBO possesses 5 basic instincts: love, search, movements, recharge, and sleep. Each AIBO begins life as a newborn puppy. Over time, it will develop its own unique personality based upon how it is raised. HRP. It can walk, crouch, and get up off the same floor as swiftly and smoothly as a human. It is capable of working alongside humans in a range of industrial and domestic settings. Said to be the most strongest and agile of humanoids. humanoid robots. Papero. This robot has the ability to recognize 650 phrases and 3000 words, can wirelessly control your television and surf the internet. Designed to look cute so humans feel protective rather than threatened. Asimo may be the most advanced humanoid robot in the world. Can perform simple tasks such as switching on a light, turning off a computer, and surfing the internet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.